again, Mamasita Nicoll. So today, i-share ko sa inyo how to peel your own pineapple. Let's start, guys!
So, ang kailangan natin, we need the cutting board and of course the knife. So make sure the knife is really sharp so it's easy to peel the pineapple. So first, what we're gonna do, we are going to cut the bottom of the pineapple and the top we just leave it because we need to hold it when we cut the pineapple. So we're gonna cut the bottom and like this. There you go. And we need to start from the top. So just cut like this. Super easy to cut the pineapple, guys, especially you are living you're from in Philippines. We have a lot of pineapple in Philippines, that's why we know already how to cut your own pineapple. So just like this until all the the ice is gone. The pineapple have ice, they have a lot of ice. This one, guys, we call this in the Philippines is the ice of the pineapple. So make sure when we peel the pineapple, we don't want this ice in here in the pineapple because we don't want to eat this. Okay. Just like that. And then some ice is in here, so we need to take care of that. We just like this, cut every side and fold it just like that. Okay. Some people, they have a hard time to peel the pineapple because they don't know. But for me, it's super easy. Really easy. Especially my husband also, he like a pineapple, guys. So, you know, make sure no ice. There you go. Okay. And then now we need to check. Make sure no more ice of the pineapple because we don't want to eat that. It's a hard part of the pineapple, the ice. There you go. So now, since no more ice of the pineapple, as you can see, before we're gonna cut the tail of the pineapple, okay, we're gonna cut this. There you go. And that's it. That's the pineapple how to peel. And right now, we need to cut half the pineapple. Be really careful. Make sure we're not gonna cut our hands for peeling the pineapple. That's it. And have a hard thing in here. You're not allowed to eat this. And we call this in the Philippines, in Bisaya, the subok. In the middle. So we need to take care of that too. And now, I always doing like this, guys. Yeah. This. And I don't want my husband eating is a big piece, you know. We don't want that. So make sure we need to cut that. Just like this. Like a cube style. And if you feel they have the hard thing in here, we need to take it off. We don't want to eat that. It's hard to chew that. So cut another cubes. There you go. And we're gonna transfer this in the bowl. The best thing for the pineapple, when you put this in the refrigerator and it's cold, it's really good, especially for the, you know, summer. Perfect time for the pineapple. The problem of the pineapple, guys, is really messy, super messy, but it's normal. If you wanna eat the pineapple, of course, a lot of skin of the pineapple, you need to take it off. But I don't care because we love pineapple, of course. So, still doing it the same way or the same thing. So take off the hard thing, the subok. There you go. I don't know the English of the subok, guys. I just know about the Bisaya words. If you are Bisaya, you know what is subok. Pagsubok ng damdamin. Ganun. Of course, ipakita ko to sa inyo, guys. After this. this one is the last one. They don't have any hard part in here, so we just cut it off directly. There you go. So that's it, guys. It's really fast, very easy to cut your own pineapple, to peel it. Super easy. Look at that. How easy. I hope you guys So right now, guys, ipakita ko sa inyo yung pineapple na binabalatan natin. Ito na siya. Look at that. It looks really good. So that's it. Super easy to peel your own pineapple. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thanks for watching and like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're always updated for my new video. Thanks, guys, and God bless!